Most people stay broke, not because they don't earn enough, but because these invisible habits silently drain every dollar they make. Here are the 5 habits smart people never fall into. First, they never spend to impress. High IQ people buy what they need, not what looks good to strangers. Every dollar spent on status is a dollar stolen from your future. Second, they kill debt fast. Carrying a balance on your credit card isn't normal, it's an emergency. Smart people treat debt like a fire and put it out immediately. Third, they automate their money. They don't rely on willpower to save. The moment income hits their account, savings move automatically. You can't spend what you never see. Fourth, they invest in skills before stuff. A new certification beats a new car every single time. Your earning ability is the greatest asset you will ever own. Fifth, they protect their time ruthlessly. Scrolling, gossiping, binge watching, these are poverty taxes disguised as relaxation. Smart people rest with intention, then get back to building. Look, none of this requires genius. It requires honesty about where your money and your time actually go. Start with just one of these habits this week. Drop a comment telling me which one you are tackling first. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. I'll see you there.